Hey, what's up guys? So the next couple videos on the channel are going to be a little different than what I'm used to. I'm going to upload a couple shorts from some clips that I've recorded past week or so. But today's video and the next video are going to be tutorial videos. As you can tell from the title of the video, today's trick is going to be how to pop shove it. So this will apply for regular pop shove it's, whether you're moving or stationary, fakie, nollie, and switch. You do it all the same way, okay? So I'm going to try to be very, very brief, but also very informative with my description on how to do the pop shove it. So anyways, let's get into it. So in order to do a pop shove it, you have to think, what is a pop shove it? Pop shove it is when you take the board, you pop the tail or the nose or whatever to the ground, you scoop, the board comes, does a 180 turn, and you land it. So when first learning a pop shove it, you pretty much want to learn first things first. Where do your feet go? Well, there is no right answer, there's no wrong answer. My personal preference, I like to put my front foot right behind the bolts, straight on the board with my heel hanging off just like that. And my back foot, I set ever so slightly in this little pocket on the tail right here. And my foot on the tail, just like so. And my feet will be set like that. So, when learning to do a pop shove it, you want to learn how to do a shove it first. What I recommend for all beginners when first learning how to do a shove it is stand on the board, take your toes and put them in this little pocket back here by the tail, right? And you want to kind of balance the ball of your foot on the edge of that tail. And all you want to do is learn how to rotate the board, okay? So you see how I did that there? So that's all you want to do. You want to start by learning how to scoop the board 180 with your back foot. Okay? But we can worry about landing on the board later. So before even trying to do it, I want you to just practice a couple times until you can consistently get the board to turn 180 in the rotation of a shove it. And once you've gotten that down, I want you to practice floating that front foot, keeping it with the board, and landing it on, okay? So that once you've got that down, you can scoop the board 180, you can land with your front foot. Now that we've got the first part ready and over with, you can practice it in the grass, at home on carpet. I'm gonna practice it in the street. So now you're gonna put the trick together. So now, you're comfortable, you're landing front foot. Sit stationary, get a comfortable foot positioning where you can scoop the board. And now all you're gonna do is you're gonna kick that back foot back to scoop the board, and you're gonna jump forward and try to land on the board with both feet. Just like that, okay? And you're just gonna practice that until you find comfortable foot positioning and you're landing on the board, you're not falling off. And a little trick for when you learn this trick, you get really good with it. Always, always, always try to land the trick with your front foot first. So that way when you start doing pop shove it's, you can catch the board with your front foot. But you're gonna scoop it just like that, okay? You're gonna jump and land on the board, and then eventually, when you get good enough, start slow, obviously, but once you get good, practice improving. And then eventually, when you get that down, you're gonna add a pop. Anyways guys, I hope this video helped. This is my first tutorial video, so I definitely know I can improve. But if there's any tricks you guys specifically want to learn how to do, request them in the comments. I read all the comments. I check my YouTube daily. Anyways though, I hope this helps you learn how to shove it, how to pop shove it, how to progress. And if the video felt a little rushed, that's because school's back in and there's traffic flying by every 2 seconds. I'm having to retake shots and, move the camera and this and that. So, I kind of had to move a little quicker than I usually do. But anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, request any tricks that you think I should do some tips on. And just wanted to say thank y'all for all the support and all the love again. I hope y'all have a fucking awesome week, man. And I got some more clips coming for you guys. So